we're here hanging out at Canterbury in the trailer with Nick and the whole Make-A-Wish program, and pretty cool day today so far. We had Nick and his family in here, kind of gave him a tour of the trailer, showed them everything that we do on a race weekend. Got to look at the sled, and then we surprised them with the Make-A-Wish program, and everyone from Arctic Cat presented him with a brand new sled, a whole bag of gear, everything he needs to go riding. So it's been pretty exciting so far. Now we're just back in the trailer. We got Nick here getting him suited up. Gonna get all his gear on, new tech vest, fly helmet, Arctic Cat gear, all the stuff. And then we're gonna go out on the track, so it's gonna be pretty cool. You excited?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go do some laps. First time on a snowcross track. How'd it feel to go on the track?
Pretty good.
Catching the air?
A little bit.
Yeah? Got more comfortable?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part on the track?
Straightaway.
Straightaway?
You can actually open the shit up a little bit more.
Yeah. So yeah, we had a lot of fun riding on the track, got a bunch of laps in, and now we just had some lunch and maybe going to hit the track again. So it's been a lot of fun for me. I don't know about you.
Yes.
You had fun? It's been pretty cool. So it's a fun day and looking forward to some more. Come on.
Yeah, he's not a flat bill kind of kid.
Yeah, look at that. It's perfect. I didn't look close enough. I hope not.
That's a forbidden word.
Yeah, that's a swear word inside here.